In this video, I'm going to show you how to color every other row in Google Sheets. After successfully accessing your Google spreadsheet, the first thing that we would like to do is to select the range of rows that we would like to involve in the coloring. So let's say for this video, we'll be using row 1 up to row 10. After selecting your row range, in the menu navigation, simply navigate to Format, and in Format, go to Alternating Colors. In this section, we can change here the range of the rows that are involved in this action. We can also choose styles in here, whether to involve a header or a footer. For this video, let's stick to header. And we can also choose default styles in here and customize styles. So let's say for this video, we'll be customizing styles. For the header, we'll be using this color. For color number 1, let's stick to white. And for color number 2, let's say we're going to use the same color as the header. After successfully selecting your style for the rows, simply click Done in here. And now we have successfully added an alternating color onto our rows. And that's about it. That's how to color every other row in Google Sheets. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.